Hello everyone, welcome back to Curry TV. Today we're going to make beef with coconut.
What do you call that in Indian? Kerala?
Beef Ulathuyathu.
Beef Ulathuyathu. Okay. Alright, so let's introduce them to what all we need. As you know, our hero for this evening is beef, stew cut beef. So this is about 1.5 pounds. Onion for as desired. I like to use my onion multiple stages while cooking this beef. Curry leaves as you desire. Ginger 1 tablespoon. Garlic 2 tablespoons. Green chili according to your spice. And then the spices we are going to be doing is turmeric powder, salt to taste, coriander powder, garam masala. This is beef garam masala. I will share my recipe with you. This is red chili and black pepper. Shall we get started? Okay, this is coconut oil, so we're pouring 2, 3 spoons. The oil is heated. Let's put in goes the ginger. A spoon and a half. Couple spoons of garlic. A few green chilies. You want to stir? Now goes the onion. We're going to add onion at multiple stages through while cooking this beef. So I'm just putting in a few spoonful and curry leaf. What curry without curry leaves, right?
Just a few.
Just a few, that's right. So I've changed my heat to medium-low. I'm adding a little bit of salt. Okay. In goes our spices. This is 1 spoonful of coriander powder. This is special beef masala. I'll share my recipe with you. Putting in 2 generous amount. Red chili according to your spice level. We like it somewhat medium, so I'm putting in a spoon and a half. Let's give it a stir. We're going to change our heat to very, very low. We don't want that masala, all our spices to burn. Thank you. He's getting used to it. So that's a clue. Our spices are roasted now. We'll add in our heroes. Our stir has ended. Let's give it a good stir. We're just coating that spices, all that spices in that beef. I'm going to crank up the heat. It's still on low. I'm changing it to medium. Now, if you cover this and cook, the beef will release its juice and it will be well coated. Quarter teaspoon of turmeric. And 1 spoon of black pepper. Let's give it a mix. So let's cook this beef for about 15 minutes. Okay, we should check on our beef.
Yeah.
All right. Look at that baby. See, that's all the juice from the beef. Do you want to put the coconut in?
No.
Okay. Look at this. Yeah? It's so tender and juicy. Let's add more. We haven't added coconut yet. We're going to add coconut now. Our family likes more coconut, but you can put as much as you want. A little bit more curry leaves. A few more spoons of onion. Let's give it a mix. Tell me you're not in love with this beef. We've been simmering this beef on very, very low heat for about 10 minutes. Just get that masala all coated in and that tenderness to just even out all through the beef. Shall we check? Oh wow, look at that. It's just perfect. Look at this. We're good. So beef is done. At this stage, please do check your spice level and your salt. This is a dry roasted beef Ularthiyathu, Kerala style. Right, Nikhil?
Now let's go on to the best part.
Okay, what is that best part?
Right.
Okay, you do the honors.
Okay. Which side?
You got 5 seconds, bud.
Okay.
All right. As you can see, they're going for the coconut. They love the coconut part. Perfect. It's hot.
Juicy.
Is it spicy?
Yeah, just right. I have the flavor of the coconut, the sweetness. There is a tad bit of spice, crunchiness by the coconut.
So it's not overcooked.
Nope.
Very good. Is the beef overcooked?
No, the beef juice is well mixed with the masala. Yeah, the masala has been cooked very well. It has gone.
How's the color? Texture? All
Texture,
good? You give it thumbs up?
good. Yes.
Thumbs up?
Yeah, triple thumbs up.
All right, that's from a teenager. It's hard to get them to say something yes. So please try this out. Let us know how it came out for you, and stay tuned for more videos. Give it a try. Let us know how it came out for you. We love to hear your feedbacks. So that's our authentic Kerala beef. Stay tuned for more videos on Curry TV. Thank you.
Like and subscribe our video and follow us on Instagram.